Hey, John Hooks here. Welcome to my review of Fluxx. I am in the dashboard area of it here, and we're actually going to come back. We're going to run through a demo video of everything here in just a few minutes. So to get over to my bonus page where I'm going to talk more about what it is, the bonuses that are being offered, and then get you the demo from beneath this video in YouTube. Go ahead and click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses in Fluxx here. Click that link and it should take you to this page right here. All right, so Fluxx, basically it's tagged as a gaming shortcut that sends buyers to any offer by tapping into a $37 billion industry. So basically you're going to drive free visitors by using this particular app that you're going to get here. So it's artificial intelligence software. It uses gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generate passive affiliate commission. It enables you to choose how many reward points will be allocated per action. For example, sharing on YouTube, commenting on Twitter, liking on Instagram, etc. So in a nutshell, now this is not a new concept like it said. It's been tried and tested down here. You're going to set how many shares or whatever actions are needed to gain however many points that you set for each individual, and then of course then how many people share that you share with, you're gaining points from that also, and the winner at the end of that particular time period will win whatever prize you had. Now obviously it doesn't have to be a PS5 like what was on in the dashboard there. I recommend stuff like gift cards that could be sent electronically, like Amazon or Starbucks or whatever, and that will work fine. So it gives the users incentives to share their details and earn points. The more actions taken, the bigger the chance to win the prize. This is tried and tested way to grow your social following. All right, so let's go take a quick run through of the demo here. I think it's about 4 minutes, and here we go.
Hi everyone, welcome to this demo of Fluxx, and the way that it works is through giveaway contests. I'm going to show you how to set them up, but as an overview, what we do is we decide on the name, the prize. That's the prize here. We just add the text, and then we add the time that's left for the contest to finish. And then if anyone wants to enter, they just add their name and email, join the contest, and then we get those leads. And it's also interconnected to our autoresponder. So with regards to how to set these up, just before I forget, what we can also do is then boost traffic. So we've got connection here to 66 different social media platforms, and then we generate a link which is sent to all of these. So this is how we generate traffic. So let's have a look at the new contest again. So we give the campaign a name, we give the brand, we create a brand, and to create a brand you can go to here and then just give it a name, just set it up on here with a domain and so on. So getting back to the campaign, you choose your name, brand name, and then the content, so the image, which was this, the headline, this, description, which is here, and then call to action button, which is here. And then you can log in from a whole bunch of social media platforms, Google, Facebook, Twitter, and then the actions is you can either like someone's Facebook page or you can subscribe. So when people do that, they get the ability to join the contest, and that's the Facebook like URL, the YouTube channel to like, Instagram profile, and Pinterest profile. So what's good about this is the fact that it grows your following. And then we can connect to an autoresponder, and let me just show you how to do that. So you go to my profile, and then you go to the autoresponders here. You can see that you can add either an SMTP or a MailChimp. And just going to get back to new contest here. And then we've got the duration, which you can see here. The rewards and the winners. So entries per referral, you can decide how many entries you get per referral and the number of winners. Terms and conditions, which is you can add to here. People are going to see that when they join. And a tracking script if you want to retarget the people who have joined the contest. Now, what you can also do is generate an email template. So we've got a welcome email. This is something that people get. We can, when people join, they get, or when they join the contest, they get a welcome email, which can have an affiliate link or anything else that you want in there. You can decide on how many points to award people, and when they earn the points, you can send them a customized email. You can send them an email that tells them that the contest ended, and you can tell them that they've won. So all of these are templates that we can create. And going back to my profile, so you can see here that's pretty straightforward there. Email, password, time zones. You can generate a team for yourself, brand, which we've been through before. MailChimp, Google Analytics to check on the traffic stats. Bitly, so we can integrate it with Bitly to generate the links, and SMTP. Thank you very much for watching, and happy profiting.
All right. And so let's go ahead and start with the prices, then I'll get to the bonuses that you'll get today when you pick this up. So the front end of Fluxx is $14, or I believe there's a $5 exit coupon, and so you can get it for $9. All right. So artificial intelligence software uses the gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generate passive affiliate commissions. Comes with detailed training, which shows you exactly how to use the app and how to find the right offers. That's one thing that was he didn't really go to, but in the dashboard, your training videos are over here. All right. So then there are a number of OTOs, of course. So you have the Fluxx VIP for $27 on the down sell. You get unlimited everything, which suggests that you have a limited number of contests that you can run at a time or per month, on the front end. But for $27, you can do it as much and often and whenever you want. OTO number 2, Fluxx monetization for $37 on the down sell. It lets you upsell inside the contest by creating a bridge page to sell products to your visitors before they land on the thank you page. All right, that's a pretty sweet process there. Also, OTO number 3, the Fluxx automation for $37, allows you to schedule contests to be shared on social media in one click. You can connect unlimited social profiles. OTO number 4, the Fluxx reseller for $97 on the down sell. So, you get to resell Fluxx, of course, and keep 100% of the profits. And OTO number 5 for $197 is the Fluxx done for you. And so if you don't want to go through, that dashboard and set everything up yourself, it can be done for you for $197. And so they'll set up a $100 a day system for you, contests for 10 Warrior Plus products, which are these here. Okay. And so, little recap, brand new first to market artificial intelligence based gaming technology, drive hundreds or hordes of traffic to any offer in any niche, stop wasting countless hours, days, and weeks trying to get results, get high quality buyer traffic that's ready to convert, instantly get high search engine rankings, and 100% newbie friendly, and of course money back guarantee. Now, the demo that I just showed you is right here on my bonus page also, so you can bookmark this page if you want to come back and go through it again. Now, I mentioned that I had some bonuses for you. Okay, so bonus number 1 is persuasion secrets, so powerful ways to bring others over to your side. And I think that's kind of a good process, program, knowledge to have, especially when you are trying to attract and persuade people to do what you want them to do. And this is a digital download version, so it's a flip book. And you also, once you get this, you have the option at no extra cost to get a regular PDF version of it too. Bonus number 2, some traffic for you. So, and you can use this, with Fluxx. You get 5,000 visitors to any URL of your choice, plus 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner ads. Bonus number 3, Mayday Payday. This is a very successful software tutorial that takes you through earning money with internet marketing. Bonus number 4 is YT Velocity. YT Velocity, set and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that the vendor of Fluxx have passed on through me, to give to you when you pick up Fluxx today through any of my links, which is any of these red banners that you've been seeing, on my bonus page will take you over to your secure checkout. And once you finish with your secure checkout, you'll end up on your product purchase page on Warrior Plus, where you'll click the green button to get access to Fluxx and the Fluxx bonuses, and the blue button to get all the bonuses that I have offered to you today when you pick this up. All right, and so that is it. Thank you for taking your time to check out this review and the bonuses and the demo. Let me ask you to go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you much. And that is it. So have a fantastic day, and as always, to your success.